Got up early this morning to get some washing done and pack the van. I'm going to head off towards South Australia today. Not exactly sure how far I'm going to get. There's a lot of distance to travel between here and Eucla or Border Village. Probably find a free camp somewhere along the line and pull up for the night. But it's going to be a big day either way. Let's go. I left Esperance yesterday morning and it just rained all day. Out through Norseman and out towards the Western Australia, South Australia border. Across the 90 mile straight, again, still pissing rain, didn't bother to stop and have a look at the sign or anything like that. Found a bush camp just after the 90 mile straight. Stayed there last night, rained all night. It's finally clearing up now. Still a lot of cloud out towards South Australia. We're gonna head off and hopefully it clears up before we get to the Melbourne. Across the border into South Australia, just making my way down towards the cliff edge of the Great Australian Bight. I did want to camp on the edge, but it is super windy and it's definitely not going to be overly comfortable in that wind. So I'll get down there so we can get some drone footage of the cliff face and that sort of thing. Hopefully I don't lose the drone, and then I'll keep wandering towards Adelaide and see what comes up. roadside rest stop last night just east of Yalata. Nothing really special, but it was getting dark. Wanted to pull up and have dinner and that sort of thing. Back on the road this morning, heading towards Cactus Beach and a few other places along the way. Sun's finally come out, wind's dropped off. Should be a good day. Let's get to it.